First victim: Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bean Bryant was an American professional basketball player. A shooting guard, Bryant played his entire 20-season career in the National Basketball Association. Second victim: Gianna Bryant. Kobe Bryant. Gianna Maria Honor Bryant was the second daughter of Vanessa Lane Bryant and NBA player Kobe Bryant. Bryant played basketball, with commentators reporting that she was highly skilled, even though she was only a child. Her father coached the team she played on. Third victim: John Altobelli. John Edward Altobelli was an American college baseball coach who worked for 27 seasons at Orange Coast College in Costa Mesa, California. During his career, he led the Pirates to 4 California State Junior College titles and in 2019 was named National Coach of the Year by the American Baseball Coaches Association. Fourth victim: Carrie Altobelli. John Altobelli and his wife, Carrie, were on board the helicopter with their daughter Alyssa, who played on the same club team as Gianna Bryant. Altobelli was the longest-tenured baseball coach in Orange Coast College history. Fifth victim: Alyssa Altobelli. Altobelli, like Gianna Bryant, was an aspiring basketball star in her own right, who often played alongside the Mambacita, and even had her parents cheering on her career aspirations. John Altobelli loved going to every single practice because it's Kobe Bryant. So you're seeing that guy coach, and he's seeing him coach his daughter in a sport that she loved to play. He didn't miss many practices and he loved going out and Kobe would talk to him, said Nate Johnson, the assistant coach at Orange Coast College, about John Altobelli's pride in his daughter's burgeoning career. Christina Mauser, an assistant girls basketball coach at a K-8 Orange County private school, was one of the 9 people killed Sunday morning when a helicopter crashed into a hillside in Calabasas, California. Kobe Bryant and his 13-year-old daughter Gianna were also killed. Seventh victim: Sarah Chester. Sarah Chester was the one that everybody counted on. Her daughter Peyton was the gentlest person you would ever meet, La Serena High football coach Andy George described his sister and 13-year-old niece, who were among the 9 people from Orange County who died Sunday in the helicopter crash in Calabasas that killed Lakers legend Kobe Bryant and his 13-year-old daughter Gianna. George, who just a couple months ago led his team to the SIF Southern Section Division VI championship game and was named the Whittier Daily News Coach of the Year, discussed the heartbreak his family experienced. Eighth victim: Peyton Chester. Sarah and Peyton Chester, a mother and daughter who lived in Peyton, 13, had played for Mr. Bryant's team for several years, and the 9th victim, Ara Zobayan, named as pilot of the helicopter crash that killed him. Kobe Bryant and 7 others, the pilot of the aircraft who had a clean safety record and was attempting to travel through adverse conditions. Before Sunday's crash, the pilot and flight instructor had no prior accidents or flight incidents, according to Ian Greger, a California spokesperson for the Federal Aviation Administration. Zobayan received his first private pilot license with a helicopter rating on January 21, 2001, and his commercial pilot license on December 3, 2007. Condolences to all family.